What you must recognize in this first stage of building an argument is that every argument you add to the first diminishes that which was already there. You decrease focus by the addition of more material. You take away from the focus of your first issue by adding a second. You take away from the strength of one argument by adding a second, and you take away of the impact of any support if you add a second or a third. The more you add defeats the focus, which is the first of our goals of a content. Now, as I've indicated earlier, this requires courageousness. You are tasked with the responsibility. Your job is to make decisions which, if made wrong, can create horrific results. I mean, you could lose if you come up with the wrong answer. If you decide to argue point A and it was point B that the judge was prepared to dump you on, you may be in real trouble. But it is that kind of courageousness that is mandatory for an excellent oral argument, because the default is you will always have a poor argument. If it's too unfocused, you haven't achieved your best possible argument. So, over-inclusion being the most common problem, we avoid it by not adding that which distracts and building very carefully from a position of zero.